Hi. In this video, we'll show you how to install Bitdefender on another device. Installing protection on all devices covered by your multi-device subscription is the next best thing you can do after choosing Bitdefender for protection. It's about staying safe in an unsafe world. And the best way you can do this is to secure your devices faster than hackers can attack them. Let's get started. Open your web browser and visit central.bitdefender.com. Sign in with your Bitdefender Central account. Click the Install Bitdefender Products button. A window will pop up, displaying the products included in your Bitdefender subscription, like security, VPN, password manager, along with compatible operating systems. Within this window, press the Install on another device button next to the application you want to install. The button will say Install when Bitdefender isn't installed on any of your devices. If you are on the device you want to install Bitdefender on, choose Download. Then follow the on-screen steps to install Bitdefender on the current device. If you are not accessing Central from the device that you wish to protect, choose Protect Other Devices in the selection screen. Either scan the QR code or send the download link to the other device through email or a direct message. Next, go to the other device on which you want to install Bitdefender. Open the invitation you received and download Bitdefender. On smartphones and tablets running Android or iOS, you will be redirected to Play Store, respectively App Store, to install Bitdefender. On Windows PCs and Macs, the Bitdefender installation kit will be downloaded directly to the device. Simply run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen steps to start protecting your desktop or laptop. If you need help with the installation, check out our videos demonstrating how to install Bitdefender on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Thanks for watching. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help. The Bitdefender Support Center.